if you're trying to learn AI right now, you probably have a headache. There are thousands of courses and books.
Leave me alone!
Courses and books. And most of them are either too math heavy, spending weeks on calculus before writing a line of code, or they're too shallow, just teaching you how to copy paste. Somewhere in the middle is the sweet spot, the skills that actually get you hired. Now, I've filtered through the noise to rank the top 5 AI learning paths for this year. We are mixing DataCamp for the hands-on coding and Coursera for the deep theory that you really need. Now, we're counting them down from 5 to 1. Make sure you stick around for the bonus resource and the number 1 spot, because number 1 is the only track on this list that certifies you to deploy AI, not just play with it. So let's get into it. Now, coming in at number 5, we have the industry standard for strategy, AI for everyone on Coursera. I know you want to write code, but the number 1 reason AI projects fail is not bad code, it is bad use cases. The technical gap. Many developers don't know the difference between a problem solvable by simple regression and one that needs a neural network. They try to use a sledgehammer to crack the nut. This course by Andrew Ng breaks down the workflow of an AI project from data collection to deployment. Now, this course fills the product manager gap in your brain. It teaches you to evaluate technical feasibility before you waste 50 hours coding something that wasn't possible in the first place. At number 4, we are moving to DataCamp's AI fundamentals track. Now, before you touch an API, you need to understand the limitations of the model. If you don't know what a hallucination is technically or how tokens are counted, you will burn through your API budget in a day. The technical gap is you need to understand prompt engineering not just as asking nice questions, but as a way to guide the model's weights towards the desired output. Context engineering comes in this as well. Now, this track covers the black box basics. It teaches you the inputs, the outputs, and the ethical risks of generative AI. It's the best way to get literate fast so that when you eventually start coding, you aren't fighting against the model's architecture. Now, at number 3, we are getting heavy. This is generative AI with large language models on Coursera. Eventually, an API won't be enough. You will need to fine-tune a model on your own data. And to do that, you need to understand PEFT. Now, what is that? Parameter efficient fine-tuning. And RLHF, reinforcement learning for human feedback. This course dives deep into the transformer architecture. It teaches you why models hallucinate and how to mathematically adjust them using AWS tools. Now, if you want to be an architect, not just a consumer, you need this. Runner-up at number 2 is DataCamp's Developing AI Applications. Now, this is the most job-ready skill track for 2026. Why? Because it focuses on the glue that holds the AI industry together. The LangChain. LLMs are frozen in time. They don't know your company's private data. To fix this, you need RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now, you need to chunk your data, store it in a vector database, and retrieve it contextually. This track forces you to write the Python code to build RAG pipelines. Now, you aren't just learning theory. In this, you're building a document summarization and a chatbot that runs on your rules. Now, before we get to the number 1 spot, I have a bonus resource for you. Now, here is the problem with video courses. Sometimes they just move too fast or the math is too abstract. You hear things like attention mechanism or embeddings, but you really can't can't see it in your head. And that is exactly why I wrote Visualizing Generative AI. I designed this book to be the ultimate companion to these courses. We're learning syntax from DataCamp and math from Coursera, but this book gives you the exact mental models. It turns those complex black box concepts into clear visual maps. If you ever get stuck on a concept in the course that I just mentioned, keep this book on your desk as your cheat sheet. The link for the book is in the description below. All right, the moment of truth. The number one best path for 2026 is DataCamp's Associate AI Engineer for Developers. Now, this is the top pick because it solves the hardest problem in AI right now: the production deployments. Now, building a demo for AI, super easy. But how do you evaluate if the model is drifting? How do you version control your prompts? This is called LLM ops, and it's what separates a hobbyist from a senior engineer. This career track bundles the coding skills from LangChain, OpenAI, but adds that engineering rigor to it. It teaches you how to systematically test and deploy these systems. Plus, it includes a timed practical exam. And you don't just watch videos, you have to solve a coding challenge to get that badge. That is proof of skills that you can actually put on a resume. So here's the verdict. For theory and strategy, grab the Coursera courses that I talked about. For building and getting hired, grind through the DataCamp's tracks. I have linked all of these curriculums and my book in the description below so you don't have to hunt for them. Pick one, stop overthinking, and start building. Thanks for watching.